Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Socialbee. Socialbee is a social media management platform that will allow you to monitor and schedule all of your social media content on one platform. What do I mean by that? For example, let's say you have a TikTok account, a Facebook account, and an Instagram account. Instead of having to go onto each platform every day to release content and to also view your analytics, you can do all of that on Socialbee. You can also collaborate with team members. So if you have a designer or so on that normally creates your content, you'll be able to collaborate with him or her using this platform. And to get started is completely free. So all you will need to do is tap on get started for free. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you are going to tap on sign up here. After tapping on sign up here, from here you're going to enter your email address and password, then tap on create an account. So let me do that real quick. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. So let me create my account real quick and we can continue with our tutorial. So I'll tap on I'd love to receive social media tips. If you don't want that, you can untick it and you can simply tap on create an account. And also when it comes on to pricing, Socialbee is very affordable compared to other platforms that offer similar features. As you can see right here, their most affordable plan starts off at $24 per month and it goes up to $82 per month. If we were to compare them to Hootsuite, which starts off at $99 per month and goes up to $249 per month, as you can see right here. And also if you were to compare them to Buffer, they are still reasonable, although I do believe that Buffer is the most affordable social media management platform. As you can see right here, they offer a completely free plan, and then you can go up to 6, 12, or $120 per month. And you can also see right here with Sprout Social, they start off with $249 per month and goes up to $499 per month. So Socialbee is definitely affordable for only $24 per month. Now, once you're signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. First, you will need to tap on close in the top right hand corner to close the pop-up. Then from here, you can connect your different accounts. So let's say, for example, you'd like to connect your Facebook account. You could tap on Facebook. Then from there, you could choose to connect a Facebook page, or you can choose to connect a Facebook profile. So if I were to tap on connect page right here, it is going to automatically open Facebook. And once you grant them consent, they will have access to your Facebook page. So you could tap on continue right here and it will set it up. But for the sake of saving time, I won't do that. So I'm just going to go back to the main dashboard. But you can connect all of your social media accounts doing that. And once you're signed up, I will show you what to do next. So all I would need to do now that I'm back on Socialbee main dashboard, you can go over to the top left hand corner and you could select dashboard right here. After selecting dashboard, and this is the Socialbee dashboard. So again, you can see you can connect your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google Business Profile, TikTok, or your YouTube channel right here by simply tapping on the plus. Another thing that you can also do on the dashboard, or better yet on this platform, you can go over to the left hand menu option. You could select the third icon, which is Social Media Copilot. And this is basically their AI feature. And from here, you can type in some basic information like your target audience and the type of post that you'd like to create. And their AI platform will give you some sample or some suggested posts that you can put up on social media to improve your conversion rate and so on. By going over to the left hand menu option, you will also see their schedule setup, and this will allow you to set up or dictate when you would like your posts to be released on the different social media platforms. You can also view your post calendar or your schedule calendar by tapping right there. And to view your overall analytics, you can tap on analytics, and then from there you'll be able to view the analytics by tapping on select period. You can select 14 days, last month, last 3 months, or so on. You can also select the social media platform that you would like to view the analytics for. Now, if you would like to create a post using this platform, all you'll need to do is tap on add post at the top of the page. After tapping on add post, from here you could write out your caption as you can see it right here. Then you could tap on add a photo or video, and you can add the photo or video that you would like to upload. After you have done that, you can scroll down a bit. Then you can select post at a specific time, or if you would like to post it immediately, you can simply toggle it on right there. But let's say you would like to schedule it, you can tap on post at a specific time. Then from there, you can select when you would like to post it. You can also select the time, then tap on schedule, and the post will be released on that particular date and time. You can also choose a category, or you can create your own category, as you can see right there. And all you'll need to do is tap on save post in the bottom right hand corner, and that's it. And that overall is all of the features that are on Socialbee. And I would definitely recommend Socialbee if you're a small business or if you're a freelancer and you're looking for a platform that you can curate your content on, and you can also view the analytics of all your social media platform on one place. And also with Socialbee, they make it easy for you to collaborate with team members, as I had stated earlier. And again, remember, it is very affordable, and you'll be provided with a 14-day free trial, and later on you can go onto their paid plan. If you would like me to do a comparison of them compared to Sprout Social or Hootsuite or so on, you can let me know in the comment section. Or if you'd like me to go more in depth on their different features, you can also let me know in the comment section. Or if overall you have any questions that you would like to ask. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I really appreciate it. And thanks again. I hope you have a wonderful day or night depending on the time when you're watching this video.